It's the final phase of the A8's development. It's all about fine-tuning now. At the so-called Meisterbock in Neckarsulm, the technicians ensure the quality of the individual components and assess their precision. Are all gap dimensions within the specified range, and where do improvements still need to be made? Andreas Guris's department follows all stages of development and shall ensure perfect quality up to the series production.
During the usual development of a vehicle, we have to go through about 5 to 6 stages. In the case of very complex, very complicated components, as is also the case with new technologies, there can be up to 10 different stages. We put a lot of energy and love into our vehicles.
Especially in the interior, the demands are very high. Is wood, aluminium and leather a perfect match? Small markings indicate inaccuracies.
For us, these are the working points with which we display the current improvement measures together with our colleagues and the component supplier. We say, we are not in default. We are not there as we imagine it, and they're really being worked through point by point.
There are strict specifications for each component, which the suppliers must meet the high expectations. Only if they stand up to the scrutinizing examination of the Meisterbock team and their measuring instruments, there'll be an approval.
There are clear guidelines for our suppliers which we thoroughly check here on a technical side, which means we measure everything. But we also feel it, because many things, especially in the luxury segment, can only be discerned by human beings.
There's also some drastic treatment during development. At a strictly fenced-off test area near Ingolstadt, the A8 is being tortured. In just under 5 months, 12 years of a car's life are simulated. In the so-called Ingolstadt Corrosion and Aging Test, INCA for short, the paint is scratched and sprayed with salt water. The car is driven through mud and salt puddles and bombarded with gravel several times.
The D5's body consists of a complex mixture of materials. So, corrosion is a big challenge in many ways. Furthermore, the body has many components which all need to be sealed against each other, which is why the sealing concept of the D5 is very complex and elaborate.
Most drivers would never do this to their cars, but the process helps the engineers to ensure quality. This shows where wear and corrosion occur prematurely.